Good evening, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. It is Monday, January 1, 2024. A new year has finally came. 2023 is officially a thing of the past. I hope that you all had a good 2023. We've had some good memories, some good times, and some good fun. And so this year I'm going to start off with a stream of some more material for you all. I have been extremely busy today. I've been cleaning up around the house and helping everything get back into order. I'm going to be extremely busy with work for a while now, and so with the holidays coming and going, this is going to be a very productive time for me. So I'll try to upload maybe about at least one or two videos a week, depending on the free time that I have. And I do have some stuff that I need to get up on my channel whenever I get around to it. As of anything about any new fans as of right now, I'm not exactly sure. I'm just gonna let that be a sneak attack. Whenever I can get another fan again, but I do have some other gizmos and gadgets that I can entertain you all with for the time being. So today I'm going to start off with cleaning my carpet here. This will be titled Cleaning Out 2023, and this is my Bissell Turbo vacuum cleaner. I just recently cleaned it, and as you can see, the floors are a little dirty, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this cleaned up now. So here we go. Hopefully this should turn out a lot better. I know that it's definitely going to be an even better video without the tripod. So here we go. Okay. Now, we are all cleaned up for a new year. Well, there you go, everybody. There is my first video of 2024. I hope that you all have enjoyed, and stay tuned for more material. Good night and bye-bye.